In today's video, we unbox something really special that we got for Jake's car in Japan, and it's been a long time coming, so I hope you guys enjoy this one.
Dude, everyday barbecue day.
Every day is barbecue day now. It's actually sunny, finally. We have a patio. This is our first shop with a patio.
Looks good.
Pool's open.
Something secret we got for the 90. We actually got it while we were in Japan. No one knows that yet. Yeah, some big changes coming here quick for the car. That's Michael from Forthright Trading. He helped us import this kit through his container service. He does them 3 or 4 times a year, and yeah, it's really cost affordable, it's efficient, and yeah, if you need to get anything big like body kits or wheels, even scooters, reach out to Forthright Trading for his parts service.
Big body kit.
Big body kit, yeah. Not the one you're thinking of. A lot of people put on BN Sport kits for these cars. Personally, I don't really like it. I think it's a little big and bulky and kind of ruins the lines of the car. So yeah, we went with the M Sport kit from Japan. Not a lot of people run it, and yeah, it's a great looking kit. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Yeah, I've had this car looking like this probably for about 7 years, I would say, maybe about 6 years. Yeah, this is like the OEM kit. On the front, these are JZX90 chaser skirts. They're actually direct bolt-on, so it makes it very nice. And then these are OEM JZX90 rear spats. It wasn't really documented because I had a shop doing a lot of the work. I just didn't have time to do it or the know-how. Yeah, we're single turbo now. These cars usually come twin from factory, and yeah, we did the Spectrum Serial 9 509R turbo. It's super responsive. If you need a good turbo for your 1J, that's definitely the one. Yeah, let's pop the hood. Oh yeah, it's super responsive. It sounds amazing. When you're a JZX90 owner and you got the 1J and you got the twins, it's a big undertaking to go to the single turbo, and it's a lot of money, and yeah, I just was able to finally do it and put the money together, and here it is, man. Yeah, it's got the Cinco manifold as well. I got recommended that from a friend, and he said, oh, it's the best sounding 1JZ manifold. It gives it that exotic JDM sound, so it was kind of what we were going for. It was bull bunking, yeah. He knows his stuff. I mean, yeah, I'm really happy with how the car is looking after crashing it years ago. Sometimes you have to have that kind of adversity to kind of, you know, level yourself up and make the car better. So maybe that's what I needed a little bit to kind of give myself that kick in the pants to make the car better. And yeah, it was a good reason to do it, right? So.
What kick in the pants do you need to clear out these headlights?
Oh man, I'm gonna need the biggest kick in the pants for that one. You know, it's funny. It's funny that you ask. I look on the forums and nobody has water in their JZX90 headlights, but like I just can't seem to get rid of it. I don't know if it's the Vancouver climate. I've sealed the headlights. I've put like dry filters kind of behind the headlights and stuff, man. I've gone to shows before and I've literally heat gunned the inside of the headlight to dry it out. That's something we're gonna fix. It's got a Link G4 plug and play ECU. It's fully wired up, everything works, AC works, all the important things, right? Like when you put in an aftermarket ECU, I think the biggest thing is you want the car to still remain a car, right? Especially if it's a street car. So yeah, buddy, I'm car audio guy. Kind of a clean little setup I did. I don't know, I just feel like you can focus so much on suspension, engine, and all that and stuff, but like car audio is definitely a part of that in the sense that like it adds to the atmosphere of the car. I mean, you're living in your car, really, right? Like you drive it so much, you know, you got to add to that home aesthetic, and you know, that's one of those things that kind of adds to the fun of driving a car and the aesthetics of it and stuff. Yeah. So.
Jake is Toyota bumper removing expert.
What do you guys want to do, skirts first because it's the easiest, or what do you want to do?
Front bumper, dude.
Yeah, front bumper shouldn't be too bad. We just have to jack the car up though because it's attached to the under tray underneath. So.
So
cool, man.
We have to mount the bumper, but the bumper has a big piece of fiberglass inside of it that is impacting where the intercooler and the intercooler piping sits.
Yeah.
So this bolt hole essentially needs to line up here. We didn't drill this, by the way. Like, this was pre-drilled into the kit, which is really cool. It shows just how much they know. What we're thinking is that the difference or the distance between that hole and this hole is effectively what we need to cut out of the inner of this bumper to be able to sink it in there and not impact the intercooler. I get the logic of like, oh, it's an aftermarket bumper going on a turbocharged car, so like you can assume that people have an intercooler. But then the issue too is like, every aftermarket intercooler is a different size. People mount them all in like slightly different places. They mount the piping in slightly different places. Like, it's pretty hard to make it one size fit all. And then like, although this may seem excessive, like fiberglass is inherently weak. It likes to explode. So like having reinforcement isn't a bad thing. Like we are actually making this bumper worse by cutting it to fit correctly, but what are you gonna do? It's not like you have a choice.
Yeah. Jake's got his line lined up here. We're gonna take this outside so we don't get everyone nice and fiberglass dusted and start making some cuts. We got bull bunk in here. We're gonna lower your car today.
Yeah, we're gonna slam it on its nuts. Big bar of soap.
Okay. Ready for the skirt to just fall off the car?
Here, I'll give you a hand.
Oh, it's got double side tape.
Jake, you did a nice job.
Oh.
Ooh, that last piece in the middle.
Okay.
There you go.
Bam.
Squirt delete.
Yeah,
Get
dude.
that out of there. Look at that thing. That thing's f***ing huge compared to the other one.
Yeah, dude. Might have to get the doors open again. Yeah, that'll have to happen.
Probably, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
That's not going anywhere.
Holy shit. Damn, that looks sick.
That's a way nicer looking side skirt, dude.
That fits so much nicer.
It's not even bolted up yet either. That's just the doors holding it on. But yeah, it fits really good.
That's why you buy real Aero. Do not buy J size C West. It's garbage.
Rear bumper time, fellas.
Rear bumper time, buddy.
Taillights out.
Yeah, taillights out.
Cole Duncan's ass cam. Wow.
Thanks, brother. I was not made for OnlyFans.
Hell
Dude,
yeah.
Cole Duncan's got a f***ing dump truck, buddy.
He's dumping out.
Dump truck, dude. If you were climbing
like-
scaffolding for like 3 years straight, you'd be f***ing shit caked up too, buddy.
Rear bumper's gonna come off once they finish getting the taillights out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's bright as hell. One moment. We gotta cut this thing still. Dylan just ran down to a parts store to grab some zip discs, but Jake's got it all lined up here. We gotta cut that out, and hopefully that clears the intercooler. We did the side skirt test fit already on this side. It looked really, really good. But yeah, no, this is fun. It's gonna be a really profound change to this car.
Definitely, yeah. Huge change.
I think like the wheels and the fitment and everything is just all gonna make a lot more sense once there's like big kit on the car.
Welcome to Ebisu.
Watch your upper guy here over here, right?
Yeah, I got it on. It's good?
Oh yeah.
Dude. We just did rear bumper on.
You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where's it headed? We're hitting closer. We are hitting.
This has got to come forward.
Intercooler pipes or what is it?
Dude, this car has needed this for a long time. Like this is as good as it
This is
gets.
peak.
This is peak. This is peak. None of those Kaido cars. This looks awesome, man. I'm blown away.
You buy nice quality Aero, it needs tiny little precision fit little changes, but other than that, like it's perfect, right? If anyone expects more than that, then they're just not being realistic. So
I've always liked M Sports. M Sports is sick. It's like really good aggressive aero, and I don't know originally when they started as an aero company, but they've always just been known for like that look that makes a car.
It looks like a fucking S14.
No, it looks sick. It does. It looks so funny.
It has a really S chassis look to it, but that's not a bad thing.
I don't think it's an S chassis thing. I think it's just an early 2000s drift look.
Difference of opinion.
To me, that's similar to like the Vertex S14 Zenki.
I don't think it's an S chassis thing. I think it's just an early 2000s.
Did I just say that it looks similar to an S chassis, and then Cole said no, and then Cole said it looks similar to an S chassis?
Yo, you.